HESI A2 Anatomy and Physiology, Cellular and Tissue Levels. Introduction. In this video, we'll explore the microscopic world of cells and tissues that form the foundation of all body systems. By the end of this video, you will understand the structure and function of cells, cellular organelles and their specific roles, cell membrane transport mechanisms, the four major tissue types and their functions, the process of tissue repair and regeneration. The cell, the basic unit of life. The cell is the smallest unit of life and the building block of all living organisms. Key concepts about cells. All living organisms are made of cells. Cells carry out essential functions for survival. Human cells are eukaryotic, meaning they have a nucleus. This differs from prokaryotic cells like bacteria, which lack a nucleus. Every function in your body, from breathing to thinking, depends on cellular activity. Structure of a typical human cell. Human cells contain specialized structures called organelles, each with specific functions. Cell membrane controls the entry and exit of substances. Cytoplasm, gel-like substance that holds organelles in place. Nucleus, control center containing DNA. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, produces ATP energy. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, site of protein and lipid synthesis. Golgi apparatus packages and ships proteins. Lysosomes digest waste and worn-out organelles. Each organelle plays a crucial role in keeping the cell alive and functioning. Cell membrane and transport mechanisms. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it controls what enters and leaves the cell. Transport methods. Passive transport, no energy required. Diffusion, movement from high to low concentration. Osmosis, movement of water across membranes. Facilitated diffusion uses protein channels to move substances. Active transport requires energy/ATP. Sodium-potassium pump maintains cell electrical balance. Endocytosis, cell engulfs materials. Exocytosis, cell expels materials. Cellular metabolism and energy production. Metabolism encompasses all chemical reactions occurring in a cell. Two phases of metabolism. Anabolism, building up molecules, requires energy. Catabolism, breaking down molecules, releases energy. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The universal energy currency of cells. Produced primarily in mitochondria. Powers all cellular activities from muscle contraction to nerve transmission. Constantly recycled as cells use and regenerate ATP. The cell cycle and mitosis. Cells reproduce through a carefully controlled process called the cell cycle. Cell cycle stages. Interphase, cell grows and replicates its DNA. Mitosis, division into two identical daughter cells. Cytokinesis, complete physical separation of cells. Mitosis phases. Prophase, chromosomes condense. Metaphase, chromosomes align in the center. Anaphase, chromosomes separate. Telophase, nuclear membranes reform. This process allows for growth and tissue repair throughout life. Introduction to tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform specific functions. The human body contains four primary tissue types. Epithelial tissue covers and lines body surfaces. Connective tissue supports and binds structures. Muscle tissue enables movement. Nervous tissue transmits electrical signals. Understanding these tissue types helps explain how organs function. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers body surfaces, lines cavities, and forms glands. Key characteristics. Cells are tightly packed together. Avascular, no direct blood supply. High regeneration rate due to constant wear. Types of epithelial tissue. By layers, simple, single layer of cells stratified, multiple layers of cells. By shape, squamous, flat cells, cuboidal, cube-shaped cells, columnar, tall, column-like cells. Examples include skin, lung air sacs, and digestive tract lining. Connective tissue. Connective tissue supports, binds, and protects body structures. Characteristics. Contains various cell types. Has an extracellular matrix with fibers and ground substance. Most abundant tissue type in the body. Types of connective tissue. Loose connective tissue or realer and adipose, fat, tissue. Dense connective tissue, tendons and ligaments. Specialized connective tissue, bone, cartilage, and blood. Each type provides specific support functions throughout the body. Muscle tissue. Muscle tissue enables movement through contraction. 3 types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle, voluntary control, striated appearance attached to bones for body movement. Cardiac muscle, involuntary control, striated appearance found only in the heart. Smooth muscle, involuntary control, non-striated appearance found in organs like the digestive tract and blood vessels. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue sends electrical signals throughout the body for communication and control. Main components. Neurons, nerve cells, transmit electrical impulses. Neuroglia, support cells, protect and support neurons. Locations. Brain and spinal cord, central nervous system. Peripheral nerves throughout the body. Sensory organs. Nervous tissue enables everything from reflexes to complex thought processes. Tissue repair process. When tissue is damaged, the body initiates a systematic repair process. 3 stages of tissue repair. Inflammation, characterized by redness, swelling, heat, and pain, increases blood flow to bring immune cells and nutrients. Proliferation, new tissue forms to replace damaged areas, cell division and protein synthesis increase. Remodeling, maturation, tissue strengthens and reorganizes, scar tissue may form if needed. This process can result in complete regeneration or scar formation. Factors affecting tissue repair. Several factors influence how well and how quickly tissue heals. Factors that promote good healing. Adequate blood supply, bringing oxygen and nutrients. Proper nutrition, especially protein and vitamin C. Younger age, cells divide more readily. Absence of infection. Factors that impair healing. Poor circulation, reducing oxygen delivery. Infection, introducing harmful bacteria. Advanced age, slowing cellular processes. Chronic diseases like diabetes. Certain medications. Understanding these factors helps explain why some people heal faster than others. Key takeaways. Let's review the essential concepts from this module. Cells are the basic units of life with specialized organelles performing specific functions. Cell membranes control transport through passive and active mechanisms. ATP provides energy for all cellular activities. For major tissue types, each have unique structures and functions. Epithelial covers and lines. Connective supports and binds. Muscle enables movement. Nervous transmits signals. Tissue repair involves inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. Multiple factors affect how well tissues heal. Thank you for watching. You now understand the cellular and tissue foundations that make all body functions possible. Remember, these cellular and tissue concepts apply to every organ system we'll study. Keep building on this knowledge, and you'll excel on your HESI A2 exam. See you in the next module.